Hey friends, Kevin here at Home Base. I just got this package in. This is the Exodus 1200 power station from Oupes. Now, because I have a lot of experience with portable power stations, they sent this to me to test out and share the results with you. I told them I wasn't going to pull any punches with this thing. They said go for it. So let's get this thing out, see what we need to do to get it set up. Let's stress test it, and let's find out how good this is going to be both for home base use and on the road for van life use. I will say this thing is very well packaged. Instruction manual on top. Accessory cables. We're going to have one 12 volt that we can use to charge this while driving down the highway. I like that because a lot of companies don't include that. And then we are going to have a standard adapter for charging this wall outlet wise. And of course we will also be able to charge this off of solar panels. Sticker on top with a QR code in case you want to download the app. Very clean design, almost everything on the front except for this side, which does have a couple of your charging ports. Little safety sticker on the screen we need to remove. Let's give this thing some power. 62% out of the box. Charging input of right around 300 watts. They say this will go from 0 to 80% in about 2 hours. That should be about right. Okay, I've been playing with this, running it up, running it down, took it out to the vehicle, let the solar run into this a while, but let's get into doing some stress testing, see what this thing will actually do. So you have USB-A and USB-C. These USB-C ports can output up to 140 watts. That's beneficial if you're using a high drain device or if you're using these Apple products, MacBooks, different things like that that can actually pull that kind of power. But with my standard old phone, works just fine. So my phone doesn't pull a great deal. Let's add a 12 volt refrigerator into this mix. Heard it beep and power on. So we'll turn on the AC. 1200 watt output, says it will surge to 3600. Vacuum cleaners are power hogs. I have one here that is adjustable, and this thing will crank to 1200 watts. So we're going to find out if this can actually sustain this continuously. So this is 300 watts plus our fridge. See, we're up in the 600 range. $900 plus our fridge. $1,000. $1,200 plus our fridge. 1,200 continuous plus our fridge plus the phone. That is running perfectly smooth. You don't hear anything speeding up, slowing down. So this is putting out that 1,200 watts. So let's see if we can take this over the 1,200 and see exactly what happens. Let's kick this thing down to a low speed. And at that point, trying to run both of these, it did realize, hey man, you have overloaded me. So we can hit our AC button to reset it. And with the reset, it comes right back on. Now, I have bought a bunch of power stations over the years. I have had several more sent to me by companies, and I figured out a long time ago what works and what doesn't with these things based on the way they advertise them. I will say this Oupes, it is doing everything so far that they have advertised it to do. All of the safety features seem to be working, but the main thing that impresses me is the fact that it can run this 1200 watts continuous right at the max of what this is supposed to do, and it runs it rock steady. No slowdowns, no speed ups, no glitches. So I'm quite impressed with that part of this. So with this Exodus 1200, 992 watt hours of storage, I think that is the perfect place for a van life to be able to run 12 volt refrigerators constantly running off of solar panels, be able to get enough charge even on cloudy days, be able to get through a bad weather day or two, that you can keep this thing running all the time, because that is my goal when I'm on the road. For those just using it during power failures and things in their homes, it's going to work quite well. 1200 watt output will run most devices, just about anything you want to throw at it, unless you're overdoing it with a hair dryer, possibly overdoing it with a power tool. But 1200 watts is going to take care of you for pretty much anything else, especially as consistent as the output is on this. So my first impression is Oupes has a pretty good unit here, and I believe a lot of people are going to be really pleased with this. This is kind of my guideline for anything that I review. It's this simple. Does it do what it advertises that it's going to do? And does it do it without me having to sit here and deal with things and twiddle with it and change settings and have to babysit it? And this is just working. It does do what it says it will do. So I think that's all you can ask for with any product.